Let's get onto the investing side. I know you do your own investments. Clearly, like yeah, Deal Gateway is a very valuable tool to see what's happening. What are some of the areas that are really exciting you at the moment that kind of get your juices flowing and really want to sort of share those best opportunities? What's exciting you?
I live in Canada and but lived around the world. You know, one of the things that I think should be on people's horizon, you've had the cannabis craze here
Hmm.
in Canada. 2 3 years ago, where you'd have companies trading at 20 billion kind of market cap. I mean, we federally regulated and this, that, and the other. The cannabis sectors has come off recently. I think it's come back a bit, but I do think anything to do with plant-based type companies. I've studied kind of the mushrooms. They're one of the most successful companies on the gateway, a mushroom biotech company out of Australia, which has got patents around honeybee immunity, animal immunity. I think they've actually even created a mushroom burger and a few other different things. So I think that that's kind of interesting to me. The other big area that there is just a ton of capital and deal flow in, certainly in North America, just speaking from a North American perspective, Mexico, US, and Canada, is esports and e-gaming. There is a lot of capital flowing around in that regard. You've seen a couple companies go public in Canada. So definitely that. The other tried and true investments in US and Canada is real estate. So on the gateway, you've got some of the most successful real estate investors and operators, and we've seen just quality, stable kind of deal flow. Being in Canada, I would be remiss if I didn't share with you our Toronto Stock Exchange. And we've got a partner with the Toronto Stock Exchange. And for your investors, you may not be familiar with the Canadian public markets, but there's some exciting opportunities there through the Toronto Venture Exchange. And it was I think it was the probably most viewed deal on Deal Gateway, a capital pool company concept where you can have an opportunity to invest directly in that and be involved in a public entity.